Hey everyone, the Coros Apex 4 is the company's latest GPS smartwatch and a device clearly aimed at serious athletes who prioritize endurance, durability, and reliability over flashy features. Officially announced for the Chinese market with a wider release expected later, the watch is set to debut on October 15th, with sales beginning on October 25th. Coros has established a reputation for producing rugged multisport watches tailored for runners, climbers, and endurance athletes, and the Apex 4 continues that tradition with a focus on long battery life and outdoor usability. Even before its launch, the Apex 4 has been spotted in action. Units of the watch were tested in extreme conditions at Kelasfugagonga 100 Extreme Glacier Challenge race, suggesting Coros is confident in the device's real-world durability and performance. Early images from participants and packaging leaks have given a clearer idea of what to expect, even though Coros has yet to release a full specification sheet. One of the most defining features of the Apex 4 is its display technology. Unlike some of its rivals, such as Garmin's Forerunner 965, which uses AMOLED, Coros appears to be sticking with a memory and pixel display for this model. In side-by-side comparisons, the Apex 4 screen looks dimmer than the Forerunner 965, reinforcing the expectation that Coros has chosen efficiency over vibrancy. MIP displays are highly reflective and excel in bright outdoor light, which makes them ideal for runners, hikers, and mountaineers who often train or compete under direct sunlight. While they lack the color depth and smooth refresh rates of AMOLED panels, they consume far less energy since each pixel only requires power when updating. This choice of display aligns with what athletes need most: battery life. Coros has long marketed its watches as endurance tools, and with the Apex 4, battery longevity is likely to be one of its standout features. Ultra-distance athletes, such as those competing in ultramarathons or multi-day expeditions, require watches that won't fail mid-race, and the Apex 4 seems designed with those demands in mind. Though official numbers are not yet disclosed, it is safe to assume the Apex 4 will offer multi-day GPS tracking and long smartwatch usage between charges, rivaling or even surpassing some Garmin models in this respect. The watch is, of course, expected to include GNSS support, which is standard for sports-focused wearables. Given its target audience, this will almost certainly mean multi-band satellite positioning for more accurate tracking in challenging environments like mountains or dense forests. The Apex 4 also supports full-color output despite the MIP technology, ensuring that maps, charts, and workout data are still visually distinct, even if not as vibrant as on AMOLED competitors. Overall, the Coros Apex 4 looks like a watch that sticks to the company's strengths. It is not chasing the lifestyle smartwatch trend with animations, rich apps, or high-resolution panels. Instead, it positions itself as a serious tool for endurance athletes who care about accuracy, visibility, and battery life above all else. By targeting this niche, Coros continues to carve out a space in the market where reliability in extreme conditions matters more than luxury features, making the Apex 4 a potentially strong competitor to Garmin in the adventure and endurance segment. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.